Omukiganiro ekyokuleba ekizibu ahabw'enki abantu babunyoro obutaheereza y'ebihingwa byabo omu kampuni ezirikukora amajuta kyashanga ngu kampuni ezi nizimara amaani bakye abarikuheebwa emigisha obarikukyererwa kubashashura.
We have been arguing with those consumers in the oil and gas industry to buy from us. The starting point was quality. We tried to improve quality and we got access to supply. I'm speaking now as a what? As a farmer. But the problem is payment.
I was part of the process. Kyonka ebintu bisatu bitwakiraga kuteeka yesira. The 3 points of emphasis that we would always look at would be how do people participate in oil and gas and get the proceeds of the oil and gas.
Mugabi n'abandi nibenda za kampuni ezi zitahenkora erukorobezamo abantu babunyoro nabo kubasa kushemererwa omusho bwige kiga mu itaka lyabo.
Everybody will be happy. I think this is what we need to work on. Small things. Omukuru wa business development forum, city development forum. Agambirege ebintu bino bya registering a database, bya registering a company, biri bya haikuru muno, and yet we are dealing with peasants here. So let's treat these people in their peasantry form. We embrace them as peasants, but encourage them to produce the quality, the standards we want.
If we have the Commission of Petroleum with the Minister of Energy, we need the oil officer in the district to answer to the cow. That's when we shall, the structure will be complete. How can you have a Minister of Energy by you not call Mulemeire Kampala? When you sit here.
Omukuvu agarukamu Jessica Cheyinero omukuru wa National Content mu Uganda National Oil Company nabagirangu amisho n'amasiko batamarira mu kampuni z'amajuta zonka koleka barebe kuba akuheereza ebintu n'amahoteli agari omu kyanga.
They need a 500 all year long. So how do we do that? And that is one of the trainings we had, the preliminary one with the agriculture development program, where we had 40 trainers of trainers, that we told them even how to be able to supply foods all year long. How can that be done?
Chaine nabasha bokora namani okwenda ngo ataremesebwe bya sente.
But we as communities, like the RDC say, if you are all growing pineapples, why don't you create an association of pineapple growers? There you can easily register that association and be able to supply the oil and gas sector.
Through the National Development Plan, is committed to ensuring the issue of household income. Government already eri munteekateeka ezokurangu entasha eyongire okuraba mu PDM already sente muzifunire every parish as we talk, a case in point of Hoima district.
Ekiganiro eki kindira haro Hoima Resort Hotel kandi kyabakitebekanisiibwa ba Uganda National Oil Company. Uganda yene tebekanisa kuyiha okuzima amajuta omu mwaka gwa 2025. Gashoka nagaba Ambrose Katoto.